All right, so we've been in Colorado for a while, and it's been raining here a lot, so I figured I would install these in-channel AVS rain guards. There are tons of install videos online. There's just a couple tips I figured would be pretty helpful. First one is, when you install the front guard, make sure that little lip right here goes out, not inside the channel, but outside behind the mirror trim. It's a big mistake I've noticed a lot of people do, and then they have a lot of problems. Second is, same thing on the other side, the front. Second is, see these cards right here? These are door access cards. You can use cardboard, whatever you want. So basically, when you originally install them, they don't sit flush against the frame. So they move. See, this one doesn't move at all. Because what I did is, I stuck these cards, so I lowered the window down to like this level, put the card in, then holding it from the outside, I would lift, or somebody else could do it for you, lift the window up so it goes in, inside, it goes inside this frame about this much. And also they say you got to leave it like this for 24 hours. I think it's better if you leave it outside because of the heat. These are ABS, so heat will melt, well, not melt them, but make them softer. So they should conform to shape. That's just my theory. I'm not sure if I'm correct or not, but I think that's what it is. And also the glue, heat will help it to seal better. That's what I believe, but maybe I'm wrong, but that's just my theory on that. And that's what I would do. I'll keep it outside for at least 24 hours, probably more. Don't open the windows, just leave it away like this. It looks a little cheesy, but it'll definitely work. See ya.